the structuring of the chaos that creates the beauty of this place that you are in. And so what that means is think about think about sacred geometry, and how you can have, if you just had chaos, if you just had one thing eating another, constant loss, constant taking from one thing to another, that's not very beautiful. What's beautiful is the falling away and the rebirth within the structures of sacred geometry, where things take on form that represents, right, the form of like the spiral that shows itself in so many different iterations, and then every new rebirth of the spiral, it takes on a new shape, a new form. But it's the structuring provides this kind of rhythm and order to the world, to the whole earth, which is what we perceive as beautiful. Like, it's like interesting, like I think the Greeks that came up with the golden mean, which was this idea that what is the most pleasing ratio to the human eye? It is 1/3, 2/3. That you're never going to draw a line straight down the middle of something in design. You're going to draw a line 1/3 up and leave 2/3 left, because it's more pleasing. That there are these ratios and these shapes and these mathematical equations that translate into geometry, which we identify as being the building blocks of what creates nature, of what creates everything on this earth, and is what we perceive as beauty. And that is the structure of the chaos. So yes, it's constant death or destruction or decay and constant rebirth, but that birth happens within a conversation that is structured by the sacred geometry, right?